Hey, how's it going? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. That is my blog, my personal blog, where I share what I do on a daily basis over there. So if you want to learn more about me, you want to know how I've created a full-time income online, that is a great place to go and check out. So today, what I want to talk about today is Power Lead Systems' brand new product, Master Traffic Institute. I'm going to be doing a review of Master Traffic Institute. Really focusing on just a few of the modules. For those of you that don't know what Power Lead System is, Power Lead System is a marketing tools and training platform. Basically, it's set up to help you promote whatever you're doing. Doesn't matter. Whatever business, whatever service, whatever product you have, you can use Power Lead System to generate more leads and make more sales. That's what it's designed to do. It's designed to teach you how to generate more leads and more sales. Power Lead System on its own now, it's a standalone business because of all the value it provides, but also it has a fantastic compensation plan. Utilizing this compensation plan, I've actually been able to create a full-time income. I was able to create a full-time income within about 3 months of starting this program, really getting serious about this program, because of the way the compensation plan is leveraged. And I'm not really going to go into that today, but I will tell you this. At the various product levels, this product, for example, Goldie, make $20 residual income plus $10 for every single person on your team as well. So 20 plus 10, you get that 50% match. So let's say someone on your team makes $1,000 for the month, you make $500, you didn't do anything extra, that's just that bonus. $2,000, you make $1,000. Let me tell you, that stuff really does add up. Next level is what we're called Diamond, free ad secrets. That's one-time payment of $147, and that will make you $100 over and over. Social Profit Academy is $497, one time only, pays you $400 over and over. So with these three levels, and I didn't say what the price was on this one, this is $53.97. This is your only monthly expense, and believe me, it's going to be nothing because the way the system works, you don't even have to pay it hardly at all if you're working the system. Of course, if you're following the training that we provide, that Power Lead System provides, you will be able to cover this easily. It's not even a thought to me. Okay, so with these three levels, I was able to create a full-time income online, and I've documented that on my blog, paulgfarmer.com. You can go back, check that out. I've been documenting it since September of 2017. You can watch my videos. You can see real proof. I'm very transparent. I don't play games. This is the real deal. Okay, so that's that. Now we have this addition to Master Traffic Institute. Okay, this is very exciting because what this is basically the top earners. They got the top earners in Power Lead System, not all the top earners, but some of the top earners, to go ahead and put together courses that focus on traffic generation. And basically, these are things that these top earners, 6, 7, 8-figure earners, do to build their business, and they are sharing in this product. Now, you should also know that this product pays $1,000 commissions and $200 overrides. So combined with everything, remember I said I was making a full-time income already. With this on top of it, it's just going to go to the next level. So it's very, very exciting. I'm going to jump right into this. So Master Traffic Institute, and you can kind of see the video playing in the background there. Master Traffic Institute is a training course. It's all about teaching you what you need to know to be successful online. And they've done a great job. I've been going through the modules. In a previous video, I shared Rob Frazier's module. So let me just scroll down, and you're going to see the different courses that are in here. But I just want to jump down to Rob Frazier. So I went through his modules, okay? And during his modules, like, he talks about content creation, an easy way to create content. Content is king, by the way. You want to be creating content for your followers, your list, to attract new people, to generate more leads, to make more sales. Content is king, okay? So he covers content and talks about how you can do it in a very simple manner. And then on the other one, it was solo ad marketing. And again, I'm not going to go all into it right now. I'm just kind of showing you what he covers in here. And I went through this course as well, and it was very good. And I did a review about this on other video, so I'll just add that card in there so you can go watch that one and see what that's about. Today, what I'm going to focus on is Franco Gonzalez's training, and he put in quite a bit of work in this course, in Master Traffic Institute. He put quite a bit of effort into this because he has hours of training, and teaching you what he does to generate leads and make sales. So before I go on, I just want to let you know, just the Rob Fraser material, if you were just to do what he teaches, you can create a full-time income, especially with Power Lead System. If you're positioned to make the most, absolutely make full-time income. But Franco goes another level, right? And Franco kicks it off with Traffic Generation 101. Master Traffic Institute, what I would say is most important to understand from what I've seen so far is this is really focused on keeping it pretty basic so you can understand, digest it, understand what you need to do to get, generate more traffic, get more leads, make more sales. So it's really targeted towards people that really haven't had success, are looking to have success online. It's really something that you can plug. This is what I love about it is you can plug a brand new person into this course, these training courses, and they would know exactly what to do to start getting results. And it's in-house. It's in Power Lead System. And I just think that's fantastic because it's part of the product, it's part of the system. It's all built together. So, but anyway, Traffic Generation 101. What this is basically Franco takes you by the hand and he walks you through exactly how a sales funnel makes your life easier. How a sales funnel in Power Lead System makes your life easier because now it does the telling and selling for you. And really all you have to do is bring leads, get leads, right, into the sales funnel and follow up with them. So this is a great training to go through, especially if you don't understand how the sales funnel process works, how you could start at a $7 product in Power Lead System. And if you understand how to generate $6 sales, because of what it pays, then you know how to make $1,000 sales. Because it's the same exact process. The process is not any different. So if you understand on a fundamental level how to create $6 sales, the funnel is the same. It all works together. The funnel will bring people into back-end sales. So that's the beautiful thing about this. And he really goes over exactly how to get leads and how to get them into your funnel in this course. Okay. Now I'm going to scroll through. You're going to see all these other courses. We got SMS marketing. We got Facebook marketing. Got direct marketing, direct mail, sales cyclone. I haven't gone through that, but it's all about funnel building. Okay. How to build funnels. Got referral marketing. Again, solo ads, video marketing. Okay. That's the next step. Okay. So Franco put together another course on video. Now, video is my bread and butter. Okay. I would not earn a full-time income without video. I'm just being straight with you. I just wouldn't. I haven't seen any top marketers not do video. I haven't seen it. Every single one of them does video. I haven't seen one single one of them not do video. So take that into account when I'm telling you about video. Video is important. Video is the best thing you can do outside of connecting with a person one-on-one to get that know, like, trust factor. It is the best thing. Maybe a webinar, but that's technically a video, right? So Franco walks you through the psychology of doing videos, okay? Why you want to do videos, why they work, why they generate leads, why they make more sales. He walks you through that, and then he takes you by the hand and he's like, okay, so these are the different ways to make videos. So the most simple way, the easiest way, is to grab your smartphone, okay? Grab your smartphone and just turn it on and make a video. Okay, that's the most simple way to do it. But then he takes you in a little deeper. He's like, okay, well, this is how you do a Google Hangout. So now we're talking about live video. He talks about how you can, it goes from beginner to intermediate to advanced. So depending on your level, this is how long your video should be. These are the tools you use, and so forth. This is the content you talk about, right? He goes in depth and teaches you that material. He walks you through how to do a Google Hangout. Now, I used to do Google Hangouts all the time. They are great because YouTube is going to look at it and rank it better because it was a live video. And what's cool about live videos is when you do a live video, like say a Hangout, there's a lot of great things about Hangouts, but they show up in your email so your subscribers see it. And it's big red dot, you can't miss it. So-and-so is live. So when you're doing a live video, your people know about it. Your subscribers know about it. So you're going to get more views and you're going to get, it's going to rank better as well. That's just a tip. He goes over Facebook Lives, a very simple way to do Facebook Lives, and a tool that you could use, a paid tool that you could use to really spruce up, really spice up those, really take it to another level doing Facebook Live. So that's basically what that's about. And I'm telling you, if you're not doing video, you need to start doing video. And this course will definitely walk you through what you need to know to be successful with videos. And then there's one more thing he did in here, and it's on blogging. Let me just scroll all the way down. Blogging. Here we go. Now, blogging. Blogging's another thing I've been doing for a long time. I actually started online by blogging, not knowing what the heck I was doing, did it completely wrong. Went through numerous blogs, actually. And but blogging does work. I've had people sign up in my business because I've had many people sign up in my business, upgrade in my business because I have a blog, because blogs, it just makes you an authority figure. Especially if you've had a blog for a while, you're producing content, you're ranking your blogs in Google, people are seeing them, you email them to your list. It just gives you, it's your hub. It's something you control. It's not controlled by like YouTube. It's not controlled by Facebook, a third party site. You host it, you have it, so it's your hub. It's where you can direct people to, and he walks you through exactly why have a blog, how it's a lead generating tool, how it's a sales generating tool. And then after he talks about the psychology behind blogging, he opens up his blog and shows you exactly what he does to create a simple blog. And he has a technique where you don't have to create your own content. Okay, so that's really cool. But anyway, this was a very good course. I really enjoyed these courses because when I'm watching these courses, I'm thinking like a new person. And when a new person watches something, it needs to be simple. It needs to be something simple that they can digest, that they can understand, and can apply. And I feel that everything I've seen in here so far is simple enough for anybody who wants to. That's key. They want to really go and apply it. They really want to create a full-time income. So just the modules I've gone through is more than enough to create a full-time income. And I am an example of that because what these modules teach is mostly what I've been doing. So I know it works without a doubt. But I don't have to go train it. I don't have to go teach it because it's right in this product. So anyway, that is Master Traffic Institute. That's where I'm at so far. I have started the Sean Powell. I did go through Sean Powell here. I will do a review about that in a future one. Let's see here. Just go back here. No. I went through this one, branding. Branding right here with Sean Powell. That's the one I went through, and it was very good. I will talk about that more on another video, but that's all I got for today. I just want to let you know, and I'm going to wrap it up. I want you to know that right now, on our team, we have a 90-day blitz going on. A 90-day blitz, what that is basically step-by-step training, daily live training, where you can come to the training. You can ask your questions. You're going to get trained on exactly what you need to know how to do. This is just a bonus that our team offers to get massive results taught to you by someone that is getting massive results. So that's a bonus for our team. When you click the link right below, go to leadsareflowing.com, and you'll be able to get access to that training as a diamond member. So you just have to be gold and diamond. Remember, $53.97, $147 one time, and then you get access to 90 days of training, live daily training. All of them are recorded as well. Now, I should also let you know that I have a group as well, my own private group, where I do daily live training. I share my resources. I teach you exactly what I do on a daily basis to create a full-time income online. So you get access to that only at Gold and Diamond as well. So you have everything you need right here. Go ahead and click the link. Remember, leadsareflowing.com. Get started, and I look forward to working with you.